In this video we're going to talk about the recent integration of OpenKM with Moodle and how the logic between documents and courses was integrated. The main idea behind this integration is that courses have owners and reviewers, and they need to be pre-approved before being sent to Moodle and the trainees who will take the course. A workflow was created where the documents representing the courses remain in OpenKM and are handled through a set of workflows. Here's the main workflow of the document. First, it checks all the document owners. These owners depend on the type of document. A set of rules is defined in an Excel file that manages the workflow of the approval process. All the owners must verify that the document belongs to them. After that, it is approved by the quality director. Then, all the reviewers check the document. They may modify it, all within OpenKM using a cold workflow. After this, the document is reviewed again by the director. Once the director approves it, the course is created in Moodle using the API. An interesting point is that documents under review are moved between different folders in the repository. For example, documents under review remain in one folder until they are approved or prepared for training. Only documents that require training are sent to Moodle. Once they are sent to Moodle, OpenKM constantly checks if all the trainees have completed the course. After they finish, the documents are moved to another folder as proof. All these steps are tracked with metadata and a history of who completed each action. Documents can also be superseded if new versions appear. The client requested the possibility to reject documents during the process and delete a document even after it is marked effective. An effective document means it was approved, and after approval, the director marks it as effective through another workflow. After a document is approved for training, it creates a course in Moodle with the trainees and trainers already selected. Workflows can also modify the trainees and trainers. If a trainee leaves the company, they can be removed from the course, and the course can still move to the approval stage without them. Roles are also managed in the process, meaning people with specific roles can take the course, and approvals are given by user, so some courses are taken by specific users, not by role. Courses also have an expiration date and require retraining depending on the course. When the expiration date approaches, OpenKM sends notifications to all trainees so they can retake the course and refresh their knowledge. All of this information is visible through a custom report created for this client. The report shows all courses in different stages. By default, it displays all the effective courses, but you can also filter to see approved documents. The report includes links to the documents and previews. There is also a color indicator on the right side that shows whether the trainee has completed the course, if the course is expired, or if it is approaching expiration. For example, if it's within 30 or 60 days, the color changes progressively. And that's a brief overview of this integration between OpenKM and Moodle. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via social media.